git commit dash m fix typing for this. Ta-da! It happens. Nice. Git show name only. Let's just make sure I didn't change them. Oh, I did actually do some modifications in this branch or in this commit. Show name only format equals. What did I change there? Oh, a lot. Yeah, okay. So I guess in order to make this patch, it's a little bit more complicated, but that's fine. Typing, organization, alerts, alert rule index, git show, some typing, name only, format equals, and then git diff, origin this to some typing in these, and then git apply. So that should be all of those diffs there, and then we should be able to do git commit dash m git show format equals %s no patch. And if I did everything correctly, it should look like a cherry pick, but with slightly more commit to it. Let me push it up. What the fuck was that? I'm once again asking for a Git masterclass. Okay, let me explain the commands that I ran here, because I do think they are slightly instructive. Okay, so first off, I have this stack branch, this acyclic sum typing, where it's based on master, and I have been trying to fix particular error codes at a time, and also just like random stuff. And I usually do my like typing changes on top of this branch. What I noticed though is one of the files that I modified in this commit also got modified in one of these commits. I don't know which one, probably this one. And so I was like, well, in order to actually cherry pick this properly, I also need to cherry pick the changes from this other commit. And so what I did is first I did git log on all the files that I had changed only in this commit here. That's what this did here. And I noticed here that this commit also modified those. So that was just me figuring out that I needed to do the complicated cherry pick shenanigans. This is some mainline commit, didn't really matter, so I can ignore that. Then I went down here, I made a new branch from mainline. This is where I'm going to make my pull requests from. I then showed the diff from origin master to my branch. Note that I'm using triple dot here. Triple dot means that it's going to resolve the merge base. So if like this is several commits ahead of this, then it'll find the merge base. If this is, well, it wouldn't be. I guess this could be behind. That's the same as it being ahead. Anyway, triple dot means that it ignores any unrelated changes. So it finds the fork point of this and diffs from that, rather than diffing directly from origin master. So that's what the triple dot is. Then I said, only look at these particular files. And the particular files that I wanted are the same as the ones that I used in this log up here. It's just the files that changed specifically in the last commit, this one here, last commit here. And that's what this did here. Note that I had to put the branch name here because I had already switched branches. And -- format equals empty string is a shitty way to do -- no patch, or yeah. -- no patch and no header at the top. There's probably a smarter way to do this, but this is how I've been doing it for years, and so I don't actually know the better way to do this. Anyway, I got that diff, and then I ran git apply. That applied it to my local. Then I did git add -u, and then committed. But my commit message, I wanted to take from my other branch. I wanted to just reuse this commit message rather than typing it out again. And so I showed the last commit on this branch. -s is just show the subject, and no patch is so that it doesn't show the diff. And so then I can just reuse the commit message here.